Hey everybody, welcome to Geek Out Friday. Ooh, get my hand out the way. I found a really old book when I was rummaging in the bookcase a little earlier today, and I thought you guys would really enjoy seeing it. It was printed in 1972, so unfortunately I was alive before then. Yeah, it made me feel really old when I glanced through it. But it's got some really wonderful old tools priced and identified in there. And it was a book that you were supposed to take to an auction with you to make sure that you were getting the right kind of price for whatever you were bidding on. But let's take a look at it. It's got all these wonderful pen and ink drawings of old tools, some of which I recognize. Like, yeah, I know that's a pair of scissors. But some of them, like, I don't know, like these, for example. What on earth are those? There's a section in here on woodworking tools, some of which are generic and that we would all recognize, but the prices of some of them are hysterical. There's one section particularly that's got all the planes in there, and if you look back at this price list right here, you can see that you could, in 1970, you could pay $7 for some compass planes, or you could pay, what else is in here? So look at the cost of the rabbit planes here. 15 bucks, just wild. But it's just a really cool old book. What else is on here? Okay, smoothing planes. Smoothing planes, 3 bucks. Here are some things I don't recognize. What's a sun plane used for? Or a Cooper's howl, or Cooper's crows. For all our green woodworking friends out there, particularly the bowl makers, check out these particular sets of axes. Look at the prices of them. Woohoo! And for our blacksmith, farrier, and wheelwright friends out there, there's a section in here for you too, with some great tools such as the top swage. They also had these lovely pictures in here that sort of felt like a glimpse into yesteryear. This one reminds me of Far from the Madding Crowd by Thomas Hardy. So that's it. It was a great little book. Glad to share it with all you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button below and share it with those around you that you think might be interested. All right, have a good weekend, guys. Take care.